Android 15 has just been released, and you have the opportunity to explore all the new features for yourself. Hello, I am Sarah. Welcome to this week's content on tech innovation for mobile. Let's jump in and discover what it can accomplish. Before you get too excited, first, note that Android 15 is rolling out initially to Google Pixels, followed by other manufacturers in the upcoming months. We already know that Samsung devices won't receive the update to Android 15 until 2025, presumably launching with the S25 series. That disappointing news was revealed during the Samsung conference a few weeks ago. Now, let's discuss the update, starting with the theft detection lock. If someone snatches your phone from your hand, it can now automatically lock. Ensure the setting is enabled by accessing the Settings app, then navigating to Security and Privacy, followed by Device Unlock, and opening up Theft Protection. This feature utilizes motion sensors and Wi-Fi to detect if a thief is running, biking, or driving away, and subsequently locks the screen. However, it's important to note that this will only function if you are actively using your phone at the time of the theft. In this menu, you'll also find an option for offline device lock, which is quite self-explanatory, as well as remote lock. This feature allows you to lock your phone from another device. You just need to enable it and verify your phone number first. So, once you activate this, if you happen to misplace your phone, you can visit android.com/lock, enter your phone number, and go through a security check. Supposedly, this is quicker than logging into Find My Device. I assume it would be, especially if your missing phone has a login authentication code. Alright, the good news is that these theft protection features aren't solely exclusive to Android 15. They actually depend on Google Play services, meaning they are coming to other Android 10 devices and later with a software update. I'm genuinely curious to see how this theft detection performs in real-life scenarios. Don't forget to comment about this theft detection features. Next, we have private space. This is a secured area for apps that you can only access through authentication, and you can link it to your Google account if desired. So, go to Settings, Security and Privacy, then Private Space, enter your PIN or fingerprint, and complete the setup to add any apps you wish. A private space can also have its own Google account connected to it, allowing you to install different apps that aren't already on your phone. Additionally, you can prevent any synced photos or emails from appearing outside this area. After you've configured it, you'll notice a section at the bottom of the app drawer where you can unlock your private space and access those hidden apps. Keep in mind that when your private space is locked, apps are concealed from multitasking settings and notifications. You also have the option to completely hide the private space from appearing at the bottom of the app drawer. Just tap the settings gear icon here and then select Hide Private Space. If you're familiar to Samsung Secure Folder in One UI or the Hidden Folder function in iOS 18, private space shouldn't come as too much of a surprise. Private space is helpful in a variety of use cases. However, there are limitations, including private apps that cannot run in the background. That's ideal for keeping a dating app private, but it's annoying when a payment app doesn't show notifications of inbound transfers. If not, a third-party application known as AppLock Pro can provide something similar to this on any Android device. It's not exactly as secure as an operating system integrated solution since someone could theoretically uninstall it. However, it represents the next best alternative and has certain mechanisms for disguising itself to reduce the chances of anyone even noticing its existence. App pairing provides a quick shortcut to make multitasking easier. For example, you can open Google Drive and Gmail at the same time to easily drag and drop files. You can also save your most frequently used app combinations and they'll appear as a single app icon on your foldable or tablet. One of the important factors influencing long-term battery health is the duration it remains fully charged. That's why I am pleased to observe Android 15 incorporating a strict limit, which I have established. It may be somewhat inconvenient, but I maintain my devices in excellent condition, and I am not eager to replace my phone's battery. If you're not a heavy user, I suggest giving this one a try. I also think that the implementation of the 80% limit in Android 15 will increase awareness of the factors that accelerate battery deterioration. The general public still has a limited understanding of battery health, so having such options available aids individuals in learning how to prolong their phone's battery life. This is a beneficial feature, with software support assured for as long as 7 years on select devices. Android 15 will enhance the multitasking experience on tablets and larger displays by allowing you to permanently pin the taskbar on the screen for a more desktop-like feel. Additionally, combinations of split-screen apps can be saved for later use. These app pairs can also be pinned to the taskbar. Will my phone receive Android 15? Android manufacturers, facing pressure to align with Apple's assurance of multiple years of software updates, have been increasing the number of software generations the new phones are provided. A few years ago, select Android phones received as few as one major software update, but currently, flagship phones generally come with a guarantee of 3 Android generations post-launch. How can I upgrade? If you own a Pixel and it has not so far prompted you to upgrade to Android 15, you can initiate this process manually. Go to System or Software Updates in the settings, click on System Update and then on Check for Updates. You should then observe that a system update is being prepared, followed by the display System Update available. Click on Download and Install located at the very bottom of the screen. You will subsequently be prompted to indicate whether usage and diagnostic data may be shared with Google. You can turn this off using a slider on the right-hand side of the screen. Then click Accept at the bottom of the screen. Your smartphones will then download and install Android 15 easily. Join us as we explore the future of technology together. For more information, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.